You blah, depressed, kinda in a rut, bad case of the bubble guts? This turmoil could be coming from the soil. To keep the body in compliance, you gotta know the signs. If your soil is lacking, your digestion gonna be slacking. So peep the recycle of the carbon-nitrogen cycle. If you're a humanoid, you need them alkaloids. And if you want your consciousness to reach the cosmos, then you better compost. Getting your soil right gets the gut tight, then the brain can be sparked by the light. Now ain't it bright to slide Mother Earth back in the spotlight? Look, our arteries are hardening, they altering our carbon, we got no choice but to garden. I mean, it's kind of criminal that the water is undrinkable, f***ing unthinkable. And ain't it cynical we ain't been taught by the aboriginals, the OGs that kept the planet livable? Yeah, in order to heal ourselves, we have to heal the earth. Puts a whole new spin on protecting your turf. If the planet isn't healthy, how you gonna be wealthy? You wanna live correctly, stick with the fruits and veggies. Becky got a big old butt, oh yeah, but what's up with her gut? The world all gassed up on who can twerk, bump that. Sup with the beneficial bacteria in the dirt. Put your consciousness on alert and avoid a bad case of the squirts and grab some game from the green desert. If you want to be healed, realistically, you gotta go holistically. And put a pause on the malicious nutrition. Diabetes and cancer, Dr. Sabi found the answer. And back to the soil in the dumpster. Shout out to Ron Finley, the gardening gangster. With all the stupid, I just had to do it. In order for us to be healed, this truth needed to be revealed. They say a man can't rise above his nation's turmoil, but I say a nation can't rise above its soil. If the dirt is diseased and the belly is aggrieved and the mind is deceived, then consciousness is decreased. And while we living in the belly of the beast.